Hello students, in today's session we are going to construct similar triangles. So the triangle will be given to us and we have to construct the triangle similar to the given triangle. So for this construction of the triangle has the two different situations. In one of the situation we have to construct the smaller triangle and in the other the triangle will be greater than the given triangle. So here the important term which describe the construction that the constructed triangle is smaller or greater that defined by the scale factor, and the meaning of this scale factor is ratio of the sides of the triangle to be constructed with the corresponding sides of the given triangle. So here scale factor is that the corresponding sides ratio we have to given. So let's understand this by the construction. So let's take exercise 11.2 question number 2 as construct a triangle of side 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. That meaning we have to construct a triangle of 4, 5 and 6 centimeter. Then we have to construct the similar triangle of this triangle where the corresponding sides of the constructed triangle is 2/3 of the sides of the given triangle. So let's start. First construct the given triangle. Take the triangle ABC and construct it with the given measurements. Let AB is equals to 4 centimeter and with A as a center cut an arc of 6 centimeter. With B as a center again cut an arc of 5 centimeter. Then the arc of 6 centimeter with center A and arc of width 5 centimeter with center B intersect each other at a point. So this point is C. Join this point C to A and B. Now we have the triangle ABC. For this we have to construct a triangle which is similar to this triangle. Okay. So for this we have to draw an acute angle at point A. So cut the acute angle. That draw the ray AX. So we get angle BAX or XAB is an acute angle. Now we have given the scale factor is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 in both numerator and denominator. Which number is greater? That number of arcs or that number of equal arcs we should cut on the ray AX. So here 2 and 3, the 3 is greater number. So we have to cut the 3 equal arcs at the ray on the ray AX with A as a center. So cut the arcs with A as a center, cut the arc of any convenient radius. Then this arc and this ray intersect at this point. Place the pointer of the compass at this point. With the same radius, cut again a second arc. This second arc and ray AX intersect each other at this point. So place the pointer at this point and again cut the third arc. Now give the name as A1, A2 and A3. Now here as 2 by 3 sides are the corresponding sides are given as 2 by 3. So meaning of this, numerator 2 is less than the denominator. Now here the triangle which we have to construct, it should be smaller than this triangle ABC. If we have to given the fraction or the ratio of the sides as numerator is greater than denominator. If numerator is greater than the denominator, then the constructed triangle should be more or should be greater than the given triangle. Here the numerator is less. That meaning the triangle what we will construct, it is less than the given triangle. So by drawing these three equal arcs, then denominator is given 3. Whatever the number at the denominator place, this number point, that is A3, we have to join with the next point of the line segment. So join A3B. Now numerator is 2, that means A2. From this point A2, we have to draw a line which is parallel to A3B. Now draw the line parallel to A3B. We have to take the compass and with any convenient radius cut an arc with A3 as a center. So this is the arc. Same opening of the compass, place at the point A2 and draw another arc with A2 as a center. Then measure the opening of this compass for the angle A3. So that same opening for the A3 angle, we have to place the pointer at this point and cut the arc. So this is intersection point of the two arcs, shows the A2 when we join this intersection point. So there, this A2 angle is equal to this A3 angle. So the line which we draw, A2 intersect AB at this point B dash, is parallel to A3B. Now A is the first point, B dash is the second point. Now we have to get the third point of the triangle which we have to construct. So for finding the third point of this triangle, same process we have to follow, that from B dash we have to draw the line parallel to BC. So open the compass, place the pointer at point B and with any convenient radius draw an arc with B as a center. Now with the same opening, place the compass, the pointer at point B dash and same opening, draw an arc. Now open the compass for this angle B, the same measurement of the opening of the compass, place this point and cut the arc. So we get this B dash point intersect with join with this intersection point. So we get B and B dash will be the same angle in measures. So B dash join with this intersection point of the two arcs which intersect the line segment AC, the third side of the triangle ABC. AC at the point, let this name is C dash. So here we get AB dash C dash is the new triangle which is 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the given triangle ABC, where the corresponding sides of the new triangle to the given triangle is 2/3. So in this way we have to construct the triangle. As the scale factor is given, compare the numerator and denominator. If the numerator is less than the denominator, the new triangle will be inside of the triangle or it is smaller than the given triangle. If the numerator is greater than denominator, then the triangle which we have to construct is bigger than the given triangle. So in this way we have the triangle AB dash C dash is similar to triangle ABC. Now we have to justify this, that the corresponding sides are in the ratio 2:3, or we can say the corresponding sides are 2/3 to the given triangle. So for justification, we take the two triangles, triangle A, A2B dash and the triangle A, A3B. In these two triangles, as we have drawn A2 and A3, these two angles are of same measure. So these two angles are equal and this angle A is the common in both the triangles A2B dash and A3B. So by A similarity we can say the triangle A2B dash and A3B, both the triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar and this line A2B dash is parallel, so by the basic proportionality theorem, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersect the another side. So this divide the sides in the same ratio. We can say A2 upon A3 is equal to A B dash upon AB. Now as this AX ray, we have constructed three equal arcs, that meaning A2 is 2 part and A3 is the 3 part. So we can write in place of A2 upon A3 is 2 upon 3, that is equals to AB dash upon AB. Now here AB dash upon AB, this is the 2 by 3. So this side AB dash upon AB is 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the given triangle. Now similarly in the triangle AB dash C dash and ABC, we can again get that the angle A B dash C dash and the angle A B C, both the angles are equal, as we have constructed the same angle, same measurement for these two angles, so they are equal. And also angle A, this is the common angle in both the triangles, so again by A similarity we get the triangles AB dash C dash and ABC are similar. And by the basic proportionality theorem, now we can write AB dash upon AB, that is equals to AC dash upon AC. So here as AB dash upon AB is 2 by 3, so we can say AC dash upon AC, it is also equal to 2 upon 3. Now by these two equation 1 and 2, we are getting both the sides are equal to 2 by 3. That meaning we get the triangles are similar and the corresponding sides are 2 by 3 of the given triangle. That meaning the constructed new triangle AB dash C dash, where the sides of this triangle is 2 by 3 of the given triangle ABC. So I hope you can construct the triangle to the given triangle which will be similar.